welcome back to lecture 4 of our Photoshop course. In the last video, we learned about the layers and how they make your design flexible. Today, we'll cover two essential design tools, the text tool and the shape tool. These tools are perfect for creating thumbnails, banners, and creative layouts. The text tool basics. Let's start with the text tool, also called the type tool. Type. Now go to direct selection tool. Restart there. If you want a text box for multiple lines, click and drag to create the text area. That's perfect for paragraph. So firstly, I would like to change their text. Also click Control T for text spacing, for text bold, and another things. Italic effects if you want. I would like to go with this. Now it's italic. Also increase decrease size which you want. You can also Control T to resize and rotate the text like Control T. For rotate, firstly go to direct selection tool, then press Control T for transform. In the next, to change text color, simply click the color box on the top bar which you want. I would like to go with blue color. Experiment with different fonts to match your design styles. Here's the cool part, you can add effects to text. Another thing. Go to the layer panel, right click your text layer and choose a blending option. Is there option? Right click, go to blending options. Now let's move from here. You can install drop shadows which you want, glow, and also moreover which you want. These effects make your text pop especially for YouTube thumbnails and
Let's move to the shape tool. It's just below the text tool and you can press U to select it there. Click and hold to see different shapes, rectangle, ellipse and line, polygon, custom shapes. Click and drag on your canvas to draw shape. I would go with rectangle. Select rectangle tool down to the text tool and that's it. So you can move and style them separately. That's it for lecture 4. In the next class, we will start learning photo retouching basics, removing spots, using the clone tool and fixing image. Don't forget to subscribe, like and stay tuned for lecture 5. Thank you.